Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to use Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform you can use to create graphic designs anytime and anywhere you are. Your Canva can be used on canva.com on your desktop, or you can download the app on your Android or iOS device. Now, the first step is to download the app and create an account if you don't already have one. The process is very simple and self-explanatory. Now, let me go over to the I already have it on my phone. So once you download the app, this is what the home page looks like. It may look very confusing at first, especially if you've never used it before. But I'll walk you through it and you will know how to create all your graphic needs by the end of this video. Now, firstly, there's a search bar just right on top. You can use that search bar to search for anything you want, whatever thing that comes to your mind. You just search, or you can also use keywords for different things you want to create. For example, I decide to create a business card. Once I type in business on that search bar, it gives me different things I can create, either a business card, business proposal, business book covers, flyers, invoices, letterheads, whatever. Now, let's go back to the home page. Down below here, you see a folder named Designs. Let's click on it. In this folder is where everything you create gets automatically saved. Whatever it is you create, it just drops in here automatically and it gets saved, except you delete it at any point in time. Now, if you look at this, you can see that there are 3 buttons on every design you can see here. If you click on the button, it shows you different options of what you can do with each design. You can either edit, you can view design, you can resize. If you want to rename, you can rename it. You can also make a copy or you can delete. Now, if you look at the right hand side down below, there's a plus button. Now, the plus button takes you to a blank page. The good thing about this thing is that it has different dimensions already for different social media platforms. As you can see, this is Instagram posts, this is Instagram story, Facebook, WhatsApp story, Twitter, YouTube thumbnail, and so on and so forth. And another good thing about it is that you can decide to change the dimensions according to your own settings. Once you click the custom button, it takes you to the page where you can adjust your dimensions to what you want. You can change the width and the height, and you just click the mark button and it resets. So now let me create something to show you people, like a sample. I'll just type presentation. Now I'm going to look for a template. I think I like this. I will just edit it and show you how it goes. So I click on edit. Now, in as much as I chose this template, this is not actually really what I want to create. So I'm just going to turn it around into what I want. So I'll start by changing the color of this to this. Yes. So I click on this to type in what I want. So let's say Canva. Now, at this point, you have options to change the font, the color, the alignment. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can also make it capital letters all through. Then you can also adjust the setting, the spacing rather. So let's first of all let me make this let me adjust the font type. So you have a lot of fonts here that you can choose from. So many fonts, so many beautiful fonts. So I'll just go for something I want, I feel like I can work with. Okay, I think I like this. So I'll just expand it. To expand it, you just drag this button this way, yeah, and you expand it. I'm just going to delete this because I don't need it. Then I'll type in something else. Let's see. Tutorial for beginners. Then I go ahead to change the font again, because as you can see, it's not really bold and you cannot easily read it. So I'll change it to something you can easily read. Yeah. Then I'll expand it. I'll just go ahead to delete this because I don't need it. Yes. So now this is where the work starts. Okay. As you can see, there is already something like a tablet, two different sizes of tablets here. I would like to add maybe something that looks like a laptop. I'll go to illustration and I'll search for it. So as you can see, there are different types and shapes of laptops here. Some are free and some you can only access if you have the pro version of Canva. So I just pick this. I just pick this and try to edit it to my taste. I change the color of the lower part of the laptop. I'll change it to, let's say, ash color. Yeah, okay, I think I like it that way. Then now you can see the face is just blank, so I'll just try and import. I'll try to import something I can fix to the face to cover it up. So I'm going to import something from my gallery. Yes, I have this picture on my gallery, so I just adjust it to make it fit in. I'll just adjust it to make it fit in. Okay, that's it for this. I'll have to just move it together until I get what I want. Then for this, I'll click on this tiny button here. If you can see, it looks like a pencil. I'll click on it to also change the picture inside of this. So I'll just look for another picture. This, okay, I think I like this. Then for the second one, I'll do the same thing. I'll just go with I'll go with this. Yeah, I'll move this aside, then move the laptop down here. I'll fit it back into the face of the laptop. I'll just delete this because I don't really need it. I'm trying to delete this green thing. Okay, I'll delete it. So I'll fix the laptop back where it's supposed to be. And okay, then I'll drag this. Now you can see that it's, as I'm dragging it, it's actually going behind the laptop. So there's a button you can use to bring it to the front. So I click these three dots inside the circle. You see this layer up and layer down. So I just click the one going up and it brings it to the front. It's as simple as that. Yes. So now I just try to just make it funky. Yeah. I hope you're following. Okay. There's something else I'd like to add. Maybe a picture of me. I'll just go back to the gallery and I'll pick a picture. Then I'll adjust it. I'll just adjust it to make it smaller. Yes. And guys, that's just it. No, there's nothing really difficult about, this thing. It's just as easy as it is. So once I confirm that I'm true and I like what I can see, I just click download. And automatically it just goes into my phone. Yes, it's that easy. So guys, you can use this video to try out yours, practice more, and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you have questions and you'd like me to answer them, just put your questions below in the comment box and I would answer them all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.